one of the things I have to address putting the modern chassis under the old 1968 cab is how do I account for the gauges? I think I pretty much have it worked out thanks to ChatGPT to be able to go through this mess of wiring and figure it all out. It's been amazing. You just take a picture of a plug and say, what is this on a 99 Suburban chassis, and it'll kick it out. Some of the main points are I've got digital gauges that have to go to analog, and then I have to account for TPIS and the lockout and stuff like that for the starter. So what I'm going to do is switch the keyed ignition over. I'm going to put it in right here into a flip to arm and push button start. I'll include a picture of that in here so we can kind of see what that is, and kind of working down from there. Headlights, I'm just going to run a normal kind of switch here. I don't need the dimmer for the dome light because, well, I have no dome light, anything like that. So just going to be, running lights and regular driving lights there. The gauges, I found this great replacement panel off of a Wrangler at the junkyard. It's got a whole set of Stewart Warner gauges. I'm going to convert everything to run here. I have a manual water temp gauge that I found that's going to go in here. The speedometer I'm going to replace with a GPS speedometer. I'll put a picture of that in here as well that I found on Amazon. It's got the turn signal indicators and GPS and everything else that I'm going to need to accommodate anything there. So that will take care of that. And then I think down below, I don't know if I'm going to mount it here or under here. It's going to all depend on where dash situation figures in, but I'll build little L brackets and mount the factory gauges for heat and AC. Since I'm going to have air conditioning in this unit, I want to kind of maintain that, but I'll probably spray paint this guy green and do something fun with like the old click stamp lettering that you can include on here. So you can see the AC is under here. I'm going to get all that painted green. Steering, everything like that will be set in. So it's going to maintain pretty much an old look. But underneath, we're going to have a whole set of wiring that's going to be for the new chassis. The cooler center console that I have has a cooler in it, and then it's got let me just go find it. So buried in the garage here, we can see that we have what's going to be the center console. That was the piece that went between the driver's seats into the passenger of an old conversion van. And in here we have a nice little cooler. And then up front we have heated and cooled holders. I forget what that was called, but kind of a special odd little thing there. So I'm going to wire all those up and get that set. This is going to be removed to manage the shifter. So we're going to wire that in. That'll be pretty cool. Tiki it up as well. But basically that's it. Nice analog gauges going in, getting tied in with the digital counterparts. So as soon as I can get this floor welded in, I'll start re-tackling the wiring. I had it all set up before I decided to cut the floor out. So shouldn't be too bad to get that organized back out. But short little one. Thanks.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.